Hello, my name is Yvan Bayon. I have been working for Thales Alenia Space for more than 32 years now in many different functions. I started in the mechanical domain, designing and validating several designs in Earth observation, science and exploration. In 2016, I then took the lead of the bid and Advanced Project Directorate, so managing all the future projects in observation, science and exploration, before taking the lead of the project portfolio for civilian business, in which CARIOQA project is developed. Thales Alenia Space deliver end-to-end solution in the telecom domain, in the Earth observation domain, in science and exploration and navigation. Our customer, being governments, institution or private company, rely on us to deliver space-based systems that allow them positioning anyone, anything, everywhere, observing the Earth or exploring the solar system. One of our forces is to develop, with an industrial approach, cutting-edge technology that meets today's needs and anticipate tomorrow's changes. And this is one of our contributions in the CARIOQA project.
The CARIOQA-PHB project is very fascinating and exciting at the same time. Imagine that it will allow us to better understand the climate change. It will thus allow the development of a new ultra-complex technologies based on very cold atoms called quantum interferometer technology, until now never tested on a spacecraft. The scientific challenges are obviously important since the gravity measurement instrument will significantly improve the level of precision of measurement never reached above. It will help better understand the anticipation of the phenomena such as ice melting, ocean currents, volcanic eruption, and therefore we will be able to adjust our strategies at a European level to safeguard our planet. Thales Alenia Space has a major role in the CARIOQA-PHB project and in several since. On the one hand, the company has the full responsibility to design, to test and to build this satellite CARIOQA, which will have to meet very advanced mission requirements. On the other hand, Thales Alenia Space shall also define the optimal design of our instrument, which face huge technological challenges never reached before now. Additionally, we are obviously a major contributor to the decisions to be made with our customers and the partners, such as the CNES, the DLA and the European Commission, on the system and the mission choices. So of course, that we will need to carry out several major trade-offs during our Phase B to select the best product. For example, to decide on the thermal and the mechanical architecture of our platform and the satellite that can meet ultra-stability requirements. Imagine, for example, that a simple resili of the a multi-layer installation outside the satellite, passing from the Sun to the shade, could disrupt the measurement accuracy of our atoms, which are located at the center of the gravity of the satellite. So this will require also new technologies, such as the propulsion system, and we will need to consult and to challenge new partners. And all of this will be done thanks to a close collaboration with our partners on the instrument, each of them having strong experience, such as Excel in France, Atom with the ZAM in Germany, and the Microwave with Leonardo in Italy. And I can confirm now that these relationships are already well existing and very collaborative.
As program manager for CARIOQA, my mission is to manage one team. At first, to develop the platform and the satellite, and the main mission, of course, is to define the optimal design of the instrument. And for this objective, I need to coordinate our partners in Europe, as in the ZAM, as Excel and as Leonardo, to contribute on the delivery of these instruments that respond to very high technological performances.
My role is to help the project manager, Thierry, to develop efficiently this project, to be sure he has all the means to do it. And in addition, my role as the portfolio manager is to coordinate with CNES, with the European Commission, to be sure this project will meet their objective, especially developing and helping Europe to be more sovereign on this type of technology.
As I have just mentioned, CARIOQA forces us to push our limits in engineering, in production, in testability, because the specifications around this instrument are so demanding. It's therefore quite naturally the wire road to develop new technology within Thales Alenia Space, but also to establish new partnerships with partner companies to bring these technological challenges even higher. We will thus have a new platform, new equipment, new means of measurements, responding to the performances always pushed on future payload that we will be able to promote. In the continuity, I hope, of the gravimeter mission after the CARIOQA, but of course for any other type of scientific mission dedicated to the protection of our beautiful planet.